Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing on your iPhone or on your Android phone. So guys, if you're using TikTok and when you want to use any favorite sound and facing the issue that favorite sounds are not showing. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you have to open your TikTok app. Click on your main profile icon and click on three lines and click on settings and privacy. And guys, after this you have to scroll it down. So guys, from here you will see the option of free up space. You have to clear cache and clear downloads as well on your TikTok app. And guys, you have to go back, and guys after this, if you're using Android phone you have to open Play Store, and if you're using iPhone you have to open App Store in your phone. And guys, here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching TikTok you have to open your app in that store, and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated you need to update your app first, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, now you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if not fixed you need to do the next step. The next is you have to open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to find TikTok app and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your TikTok app again. Click on your main profile icon, click on three lines and click on settings and privacy. And after this you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on report a problem. And guys, after this you have to wait. So guys, now from here you have to click on account and profile and click on here is the option that is profile page. After this you will see this type of interface, and guys now you can see here the option to how to manage favorite collection. So guys, simply you have to click on this one, and guys you can select this that is unable to see content in favorite. So guys, you have to click on this tab, and guys from here you have to click on no and click on need more help. And guys, after this you have to contact with TikTok support team. So guys, you have to tell them your problem, and guys they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.